Hello family. Today we're going to make strawberry cake. Come join me. Now I'm following a recipe, so I've never made this before. We'll see if it's good, but you know, I wanted strawberries and cake, and I'm doubling the recipe because one box of cake mix usually does not make a very thick cake, so I'm using 2. So we're going to start with the cake mix. I turned my air conditioner off, so hopefully I don't melt, because that interferes with the sound. So our air conditioner is here in the kitchen. Okay, so I'm adding the cake mix. Now I'm adding half and half, but I didn't have half and half. All I had was evaporated milk. So it was 1 1/4 cup, and I doubled it. So I'm adding that. And 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, which I doubled, so it's 2 tablespoons. I'll put the recipe in the description. And the recipe called for 4 eggs. I'm adding 8. Okay, now we're going to give this a mix. All right. We got that. All right, now, and I sprayed my pan, and we are going to bake this on 350 for, well, 30 to 35 minutes, or until, you know, until the cake tester comes out clean. Okay, we'll see in a little bit. Look at the peonies today. They're beautiful. So beautiful. Looks like I'm going to have lots of, what are these called? Hollyhocks? I don't remember now. I'm just getting so many blooms. And that birdhouse, we've been wanting to paint it, but every time we want to take it down, another family moves in. But, oh, this year I got lots of blooms. These are not hollyhocks. What are they? I don't remember. Somebody tell me in the comments. See, that one's opening. Honeysuckle. That's what it is. Thank you, Lord. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to poke some holes in this. Some fun. Yeah, my husband is having a wonderful time. Him and an old high school friend went up north somewhere in Orr, Minnesota, I think. There's a bear conservative up there, and they're black bears. They're gonna go up there and see the black bears. Told him to take videos so I can make some videos. I just I didn't want to do a lot of walking yet. I'm officially off the boot though after 3 weeks. And I did do some weed whacking yesterday, so no pain. Now I'm going to pour the strawberry syrup over this. And I do believe it's a cup. So we're going to pour that slowly over that. We want it to go into the holes. Got a little dip in the cake there. That's all right. It'll soak in. I'll put some more holes in here. There we go. See how that works? Okay, now what we do is we let this cool completely, and then we will frost it. While that's waiting, while I'm waiting for that, I'm going to mix up the topping. You're okay, baby. She's under my feet again. Well, actually, she's laying over there now. It's not storming today. It has been for like the last 2 weeks, and she's just not getting any rest. Okay, I'm going to double this recipe too. So instead of 3 cups of, I just took frozen strawberries and put them in the food processor. So I'm going to go with 6 cups instead of 3. And that took almost the whole thing. That's okay. I think we can add the rest of that. It's just a little bit. I'm not going to let it go to waste. I mean, I would eat it, but okay. And I'm going to transfer it to a bigger bowl so I have more room to work. Now this is going to be for the topping over the top of the frosting and stuff. Now I'm taking the preserved strawberry jam. And I'm going to mix a half a cup in there of that. I need to get a spoon. All right. At least she's not under my feet right now. It's hard to walk when she's in between you. I'm going to put a half a cup instead of a quarter cup because I'm doubling it. And I'm going to add that to this. And then I got some leftover strawberry jam for my toast. Now I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of sugar. Now we're going to mix this all together here. Give it a good mix, and that'll be our topping over the, then the frosting is just Cool Whip, so that's all good. So I want to make sure that jam is okay. Yeah, I had to cancel my vacation to Duluth to see the ships in Gooseberry Falls when I broke my foot. So hopefully I took some more vacation time in August, and hopefully we can get there then. I'll redo. But I'm very blessed to I get quite a bit of vacation time. Every payday I get 7 hours. So it adds up, and you have to use it by the end of June. You can't have any more than 250 hours. And I think I only have like 200 stacked up. But you never know, because I also get sick time, but you just never know, you know, when you want to take a week off or something, then you can. It's kind of hard to do, though, in my job, because I took 2 days off. No, it was 3 days I took off in June, and when I got back, I had over 100 emails. So it takes you a whole day just to catch up on your emails and whatnot. Okay, I think that's good enough. Now, we just wait for the cake to cool some more, and then we will, we'll be back. Okay, now it's cooled down. Now we just frost it with Cool Whip. Thawed, of course. Okay. I'm going to put a little more on. Because it's just kind of thinned out there. You made a big cake. That's what I wanted. Okay. That looks good. Now, let's see how carefully we can get this out. Wonderful. That's just wonderful. Got that on there. Okay, now we take some of this wonderful strawberries and we just pour it over the. Look at there. Ready for some? Let's eat. There you go. Let's try it. Get some strawberries on there. Got the strawberries on the bottom. Mmm. Tastes like strawberry shortcake. It's wonderful. Mmm. We'll see you next time for something different. Remember, stay busy and serve others. Bye for now.